Hello children, today we are going to discuss the interesting topic that is evidence of evolution. Children, do you know how evolution of organisms have taken place? Whatever scientists say, they require evidences or proofs. In the same way, evolution of organisms requires evidences. Let us examine some of them. When we try to follow evolutionary relationships, we identify traits or characters as common. These traits or character in different organisms would be similar because they are inherited from a common ancestor. You may wonder to know that the internal structure of forelimb of a whale, bat, horse and man. If we carefully observe the anatomy, all the animals have a common pattern in the arrangement of bones. Even though their external form and functions are different, it indicates that all the vertebrates have evolved from a common ancestor. These organs are called homologous organs. This type of evolution is called divergent evolution. Children, what would you think about the wings of birds and bats? Birds and bats have wings, but squirrels and lizards don't have. So, are birds and bats more closely related to each other? Let us look at the wings of birds and bats more closely. We find that the wings of bats are skin folds stretched mainly between elongated fingers. But the wings of birds are a feathery covering all along the arm. The design of the two wings, their structure and components are different. They look similar because they have common use for flying, but their origin are not common. This makes the analogous characteristics. The organs are structurally different, but functionally similarity is known as analogous organs. This type of evolution is called convergent evolution. Evidences from embryology. Let us observe different stages of development of vertebrate embryos. Try to find out similarities and differences. Embryology is the study of the development of an organism from egg to adult stage. Tadpole of frog which resembles more the fish than the frog. What indicates this? Does it indicate that frogs have evolved from fish ancestors? There are remarkable similarities in the embryos of different animals from fish to man. The resemblance is so close that at an early stage, even an expert embryologist would find it difficult to distinguish one embryo from the other. What it indicates? This strengthens the view of the existence of a common ancestor from which these have evolved. Fossils. We know some of the species which are present million years ago, but we may not find them now. They might be extinct. Some of them we can find in the form of fossils. For example, we know dinosaurs, the biggest animal which was present long time ago, but now it is extinct. We can't see them, but scientists got evidence of presence of dinosaurs like animals a long time ago in the form of fossils. What are fossils? Fossils are evidence of ancient life forms or ancient habitats which have been preserved by natural processes. Fossil evidence is typically preserved within the sediments deposited beneath water, also occur on land. They can be actual remains of one living thing such as bones or seeds, or even traces of past events such as dinosaurs' footprints or ripple marks on a prehistoric shore. Geologists can tell the age of fossil. The study of fossil is called paleontology. Paleontologists determine the age of fossil by using carbon dating method. A rare and magnificent fossil of the dinosaur belonging to the lower Jurassic age going back to above 160 million years were collected from Yamanapalli in Adilabad district in Telangana. This 14 meters length and 5 meters height fossil is preserved in Birla Science Center, Hyderabad. Vestigial organs. By the time of evolution, some organs remain in organisms. You have studied about appendix in the digestive system. In human beings, it has no role to play in the process of digestion. But in herbivores like rabbits, appendix play important role. Such type of organs which are not useful in animal are called vestigial organs. There are nearly 150 vestigial organs in human beings. For example, hair on skin, mammalian glands in male, etc. That's why human beings said to be a moving museum of